Hello children, welcome to the class of English. We will be continuing with our second part of our story, Tansen the Magical Musician. Okay, so let's get started. Before starting, I would like to discuss with you few of the hard words which will be there for this our second part. Okay, so I would begin with best word. What is the meaning of best word? The meaning of best word is gave something to somebody. Okay, give something to somebody is best word, especially to show respect. Okay, so pehle Maharaja, they used to best word these great musicians with diamond necklaces, rings, है ना? So that is what, to give something in love, to show respect. Outstanding is extremely good. The meaning of outstanding is extremely good. Summon, the meaning of summon is ordered to appear. Now the king summoned Tansen, that is the king ordered Tansen to present, to appear in front of him, यानी आदेश देना, हाजिर करो हम बोलते हैं उसको, हाजिर करो is to summon. Okay, flew into a rage, that is got very angry. Banished, ordered somebody to leave a place, to get banished. You get banished from this place, that is to just leave this place and go. We say na, you get banished from this place, that is you leave this place and just please go, ऐसे, ठीक है? That is to banish, to get banished. Disgrace, was disgrace यानी कि lost the respect. Disgrace यानी respect खो देना, was disgrace. Rendering, that is performance of a piece of a music, ठीक है? Performance of a piece of a music. So these are the hard words which may come across into our spot. So let's get move towards the story. Now, according to the promise of Tansen to his father that he will be joining Muhammad Ghaus now for further music learning, and he joins him. Muhammad Ghaus now was a new teacher for Tansen, and he studied music under him for 3 years. Muhammad Ghaus, he introduced Tansen to the ruler of Gwalior. Okay, they become good friends, and Tansen would often visit rulers of palace where he could listen to other musicians. Now, जो ग्वालियर के ये जो अलग वहाँ के रूलर थे, उनको इंट्रोड्यूस किया तानसेन को. By this Muhammad Ghaus he introduced Tansen to the ruler of Gwalior. Okay, now one day what happened, like a messenger arrived from the court of Rewa, which is near to the ग्वालियर. अभी मोहम्मद गाउस के पास तानसेन क्या कर रहे हैं, संगीत सीख रहे हैं. एंड एक दिन क्या होता है कि ये जो रेवा नाम की जगह है, वहां से एक संदेश आता है. मैसेंजर अराइव्स, एंड द मैसेज इज, इट वाज अ मैसेज फ्रॉम किंग रामचंद्र ऑफ रेवा. द मैसेज वाज, वुड यू लाइक टू बी अ म्यूजिशियन एट हिज कोर्ट. ये मैसेज था तानसेन के लिए. तो वो पूछ रहे हैं रामचंद्र दैट वुड यू लाइक टू बी द म्यूजिशियन इन माई कोर्ट. एंड दिस वाज द ग्रेट ऑनर and respect to Tansen, and this was the opportunity for Tansen to rise his fame, है ना? उसको opportunity मिल रही थी. and King Ramchandra admired Tansen's singing. Okay, so he accepts this message, and he goes to now Ramchandra's court to sing, है ना? एक बार क्या होता है, ये जो तानसेन है वो गाना इनके रामचंद्र के किंगडम में कोर्ट में गाना गाते रहते हैं और सभी लोग लाइक एवरीवन आर फाउंड ऑफ हिज म्यूजिक, इवन रामचंद्र हिमसेल्फ इज फाउंड ऑफ हिज म्यूजिक. वन डे व्हाट हैपेंस, अकबर he decides to, Emperor Akbar, he decides to go to the court of Ramchandra, and Ramchandra is now requesting Tansen to sing to attain these royal guests, है ना. रॉयल गेस्ट कौन थे? अकबर. ओके. एंड इन दिस वे वो अपना संगीत, he tries to sing in, he sings very well in front of Akbar, and Akbar gets impressed by his listening to his song, Tansen's song. Now Emperor was greatly impressed by Tansen's music, and Emperor sent a message to Ramchandra requesting him to send Tansen to his court. Now Ramchandra was not happy actually to part Tansen, but he could not afford to displease Akbar as he was the emperor of India, and King Ramchandra was only a king of a small state in Akbar's empire. इसलिए क्या हुआ कि उनको तानसेन से अपने पास से उसको जुदा करना ही पड़ा, ताकि अकबर को बुरा ना लगे, क्योंकि अकबर was the emperor of full India and Ramchandra was only a small king of a small state in empire, in this Akbar's empire. ठीक है. तो now soon King Ramchandra sent Tansen as a royal gift, और as a royal gift उनकी तरफ से अकबर के लिए एक भेंट तानसेन की वो कर देते हैं. ठीक है. Now Akbar bestowed on Tansen the highest honor of the land. सबसे हाईएस्ट ऑनर बिस्टोर्ड कर देते हैं, यानी गिफ्ट कर देते हैं तानसेन को. उनको वो इतने पसंद थे. तानसेन वॉज इंक्लूडेड अमंग द 9 jewels ऑफ द रॉयल कोर्ट. अकबर का जो रॉयल कोर्ट था उसके 9 jewels में तानसेन को काउंट किया जाता था. ओके. तानसेन परफॉर्म सोलो फॉर द किंग. तानसेन क्या करते हैं? सोलो परफॉर्म करते थे किंग के लिए. जब उनको नींद नहीं आती थी, when he used to not during the night time, when he was not falling asleep, he used to sing. और उनके जो राग हैं वो क्या करते थे? उनको नींद दिला देते थे. आपको भी जब भी नींद नहीं आती है तो मम्मी अभी भी लोरी गा के सुलाती है ना, ठीक उसी तरह. और मॉर्निंग में भी क्या करते थे? वो एम्परर को उठाने के लिए गाते थे, जेंटली गाते थे, ऐसा गाना जिसको वो सुन के एम्परर उठ जाए. In this way, Tansen's voice, his music was having a magical effect. When Tansen sang, many birds and animals they gathered to hear him. जब तानसेन गाना गाते थे तब बहुत से प्राणी, animals and birds गैदर हो जाते थे उनका गाना सुनने के लिए. It was his voice was that magical. Okay. अभी एक evening, one evening, this emperor Akbar he decides to visit the Tansen's house. और उस वक्त तानसेन कुछ like he was singing and playing तानपुरा. लेकिन अभी जैसे ही वो अराइव करते हैं एम्परर तानसेन के घर में, तो he didn't disturb him. उन्होंने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया. बाहर जो वरांडा होता है, आउटर स्पेस, उसमें वो बैठ गए और वो गाना सुन रहे हैं कि कैसे तानसेन गाना गा रहे हैं एंड वो तनपुरा बजा रहे. And he gets so impressed by the song and the playing of tanpura that he gifts him the diamond necklace. तानसेन को अवार्ड कर देते हैं, गिफ्ट कर देते हैं. एंड फिर what happens कि जैसे तानसेन was like some countries they become very jealous of emperor, very jealous of this Tansen, and they started to tell bad things about this Tansen to the emperor Akbar. बाकी के जो कंट्रीज वाले लोग थे ऐसे वो करने लगे. Now ये जो and they do what do they do? They steal this necklace which was given to Tansen by Akbar और वो लेके भाग जाते. and they report Akbar that the necklace which you gave to Tansen, he sold out in the market to obtain some good amount of money. तो ये सुनते ही अकबर बहुत गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, ऐसे कैसे उसने बेच दिया मैंने दिया हुआ हार। तो ही कॉल्स तानसेन को बुलाया जाए, ऐसे बुलावा भेज देते हैं। एंड बेचारा तानसेन, he is not understanding what is happening around. He sees he is, Akbar बोलते हैं, orders him, show me your necklace, diamond necklace which I have given you. Then he is not having any option with him, and he is simply like helpless person. Okay, and the king's emperor said, तब तक किंगडम में कदम मत रखना, just get banished right now, और तब तक कदम मत रखना जब तक तुम अपने आप को मेरे सामने वो हार पहने हुए रिप्रेजेंट कर सको। And this poor Tansen, he just moves out of his Akbar's kingdom, and he is very helpless and having no support with him. He moves to the Ramchandra's kingdom. अभी वो चले जाते हैं रामचंद्र के पास, and he started to tell the whole story which happened with him. Then King Ramchandra says, don't worry, you sing for me right now. And Tansen starts to sing a song. After listening to this, his song, रागास जो बोलते हैं वो सुनने के बाद, you have brought me a great joy, ऐसे वो गाना सुनने के बाद किंग रामचंद्र बोलते हैं और अपने पास वाली एक डायमंड से भरी हुई सैंडल उसको तानसेन को गिफ्ट कर देते हैं। गिफ्ट्स अ सैंडल which is full of diamonds. Now Tansen accepts this sandals, and he runs towards Agra to meet King Akbar, and he says, Your Majesty, please take these sandals, take the diamonds out of it, and please forgive me. इस सैंडल से सारे आप ले लो, क्योंकि वो सैंडल बहुत एक्सपेंसिव था एज कम्पेयर टू द लॉस्ट नेकलेस। इसलिए तानसेन बोलते हैं आप इससे सारे वो डायमंड्स निकाल दो और मुझे माफ कर दो। तब एम्परर को रियलाइज होता है कि उसने मिसजज किया है तानसेन को। ही हैज मिसजज्ड तानसेन। सो ही सेज योर म्यूजिक इज मच वैल्यूएबल टू मी देन द डायमंड्स। ये कौन बोल रहा है? अकबर बोल रहे हैं। And in this way, Tansen he returns to the royal court as a royal musician. So children, this was our second part of our story, जिसमें तानसेन के लिए बाकी के लोग कैसे jealousy feel करते हैं, and these people steal the diamond necklace which was gifted by Akbar to Tansen, and how did he makes him go out of his kingdom. फिर how was the return of Tansen back to the as a royal musician in the court. We have seen this part in our second part. So children, we will meet in our third part, and this was all for today. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.